Why is there no sound in space despite violent events? Explosions, collisions, and powerful energy releases occur throughout the universe, yet space itself remains silent. This is not because these events lack energy, but because sound depends on physical conditions that space does not provide. Sound is a mechanical wave. It forms when vibrations travel through matter by pushing neighboring particles back and forth. On Earth, air serves as this medium. Vibrating objects compress and expand air molecules, and those pressure waves travel to our ears as sound. Liquids and solids can also carry sound because their particles are close enough to transfer vibrations efficiently. Space, however, is almost entirely a vacuum. Particle density is extremely low, often fewer than a handful of atoms in a cubic centimeter. With so few particles present, vibrations have nothing to pass through. When an explosion occurs in space, energy is released as light, heat, and fast-moving debris, but not as sound waves that can propagate through empty space. Even extremely violent events, such as stellar explosions or asteroid impacts, do not change this condition. These events generate intense motion and radiation, but without a continuous medium, that motion cannot organize into traveling pressure waves. The energy expands outward, but it does so without producing sound that can travel any distance. This explains why astronauts do not hear explosions outside their spacecraft. Inside the spacecraft, air is present, so vibrations striking the hull can transfer through the structure and into the air inside, where they may be heard. Outside the spacecraft, the same event produces no sound at all. The silence is a property of the environment, not the event itself. Sound also differs from light in how it travels. Light is an electromagnetic wave and does not require matter. It can move freely through empty space and reach observers across vast distances. Sound cannot. Without particles to transmit motion, sound stops at its source. In summary, space is silent because sound requires matter to exist and move through. Violent events release enormous energy, but in a near-perfect vacuum, that energy cannot form sound waves. Without a medium, silence is unavoidable. If this sparked your curiosity, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay curious.